Welcome to the thrilling world of TikTok entrepreneurship. You're about to embark on a journey that could potentially revolutionize your financial future. Imagine waking up every morning to find your TikTok followers and earnings have grown while you were sleeping. Sounds like a dream, right? But with the right strategies, commitment, and persistence, it's entirely achievable. So, strap in and stay tuned as we explore the step-by-step guide on how to make millions on TikTok using the TikTok Shop. The first step is understanding the TikTok platform. It's a social media app where users share short videos. The content is diverse, ranging from dancing, cooking, comedy, education, and much more. The platform thrives on creativity and trends, so be ready to adapt and evolve. Next, identify your niche. Your niche is the specific area where you can display your skills or passion on TikTok. It could be anything from dance, fitness, cooking, tech reviews, or even teaching a language. The key is to find something you love and can continue doing without losing interest. Now, it's time to create engaging content. The content should be fun, entertaining, or informative, encouraging your audience to return for more. Remember, consistency is crucial here. The more content you generate, the more opportunities you have of being discovered and growing your TikTok following. While creating content, remember to use appropriate hashtags. This is TikTok's version of SEO. Hashtags help your content get discovered by the right audience. Here's where the magic happens. Monetization. With TikTok Shop, you can sell products directly from your TikTok profile. This is a great way to monetize your online presence. You can sell products related to your niche, offer online courses, or even provide services. However, becoming a TikTok millionaire won't happen instantly. It demands hard work, patience, and resilience. There will be setbacks and failures along the way, but don't let them discourage you. Instead, view them as learning opportunities and use them to enhance your strategies. Finally, never stop learning. The digital world is ever evolving. New trends, tools, and techniques are constantly surfacing. Stay updated, keep learning, and adapt your strategies accordingly. So there you have it. The journey to making millions on TikTok may seem challenging, but with the right mindset and strategies, you're well on your way to realizing your financial dreams. But before you leave, do us a favor. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to hit that follow button. We're consistently creating content to assist you navigate the world of TikTok, and we don't want you to miss out. So go ahead, commence your journey, and remember, the only limit is the one you set for yourself. Best of luck. Before we conclude this video, we just want to remind you to like this video if you found it helpful. Your support means a lot to us, and it helps us create more content like this. Leave a comment below with any questions or thoughts. We'd love to hear from you. And of course, don't forget to hit that follow button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our future guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.